Keyboard shortcuts can greatly improve productivity by reducing the amount of time it takes to perform common tasks. Here are 25 useful keyboard shortcuts for Windows and MacOS that can help you work more efficiently. For Windows, Ctrl+C copy the selected item or text. Ctrl+V paste the copied item or text. Ctrl+X cut the selected item or text. Ctrl+Z undo an action. Ctrl+Y redo an action. Ctrl+A select all items in a document or window. Ctrl+S save the current document. Ctrl+P print the current document. Alt+Tab switch between open applications. Windows key +L lock your PC. Ctrl+Alt+Del open the security options screen. Ctrl+Shift+N create a new folder in File Explorer. Alt+F4 close the active item or exit the active app. Windows key +D display and hide the desktop. Ctrl+F open the find or search box. For MacOS, Command+C copy the selected item or text. Command+V paste the copied item or text. Command+X cut the selected item or text. Command+Z undo the last action. Command+Shift+Z redo the last action. Command+A select all items. Command+S save the current document. Command+P print the current document. Command+Tab switch between open applications. Command+Option+Esc force quit an application. Command+Space open Spotlight search. Command+Shift+N create a new folder in Finder. Command+Q quit the application. Command+H hide the windows of the front app. Command+F find items in a document or open a find window. These shortcuts cover a range of functionalities, from managing files and windows to editing text and controlling applications, making them invaluable tools for any computer user. Let's dive deeper into the keyboard shortcuts listed above, explaining their uses in a more detailed manner. This can help you understand not only how these shortcuts work, but also the context in which they are most beneficial. For Windows, Ctrl+C use copies the selected text, file, or other item to the clipboard. Context, useful in document editing, file management, and any scenario where duplication is needed without moving the original. Ctrl+V use paste the content from the clipboard to the current cursor location or selected directory. Context, commonly used in all forms of digital work to quickly duplicate text, files, images, etc. Ctrl+X use cuts the selected item, removing it from its current location and placing it on the clipboard. Context, ideal for moving files or text from one location to another, without needing to delete anything manually. Ctrl+Z use undoes the last action. Context, essential in all forms of digital creation, allowing users to easily revert mistakes. Ctrl+Y use redos the last action that was undone. Context, useful in text editing and other creative processes where you might change your mind after undoing an action. Ctrl+A use selects all items in the current window or text in the document. Context, saves time when you need to copy, move, delete, or format everything in a file or directory. Ctrl+S use saves the current document or file. Context, a crucial habit in document editing to avoid losing data. Ctrl+P use opens the print dialog for the current document or image. Context, useful in office environments or for anyone needing physical copies of documents. Alt+Tab use switches between open applications. Context, enhances multitasking efficiency by allowing quick shifts between different tasks. Windows key +L use locks your PC, requiring a password to regain access. Context, important for security, especially in public spaces or workplaces. For macOS, Command plus C use copies the selected text, file, or other item to the clipboard context, just like in Windows. It's fundamental in all forms of digital work for duplicating content. Command plus V use pastes the clipboard content into the current application context, used universally in document creation, file management, and more. Command plus X use cuts the selected items, removing them from view and storing them in the clipboard context, useful for reorganizing files and documents efficiently. Command plus Z use undoes the last action, similar to Ctrl plus Z on Windows. Context, critical in creative software and text editing to quickly revert errors or changes. Command plus Shift plus Z use redos actions, reversing the undo command. Context, helps in toggling back and forth in editing workflows. These detailed uses and contexts show how keyboard shortcuts are not just about doing things faster, but also about enhancing the flow of work, reducing disruptions, and securing content. They are essential tools that, once mastered, can significantly increase productivity and operational efficiency across various computing tasks. Thanks for joining me today on 25 Keyboard Shortcuts. I hope you feel inspired. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications for our next class. Share your opinion and questions in the comments below. I love seeing what you create and helping solve any snags you hit along the way. See you next time.